of bounding boxes. The first is the rectangular bounding box. Yeah. Um, when use and the second is polygon bounding box. When using polygonal bounding boxes, it is important to pay attention to the order of the boxes. You can say, wait a minute. You can say here, use polygon. Uh, the order of the polygon boxes is the order we follow is top left, top right, bottom left, and only 4 points can be annotated, and no extra point are allowed. After completing the annotation, you can click the Submit button in the bottom right corner. Here, mm, remember, there is a selection for image va validity here. That's the operation for our annotation. Later, I will send a question and answer sheet in the group, which contains some questions and answers that you can refer to. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me and I will update them in that sheet.